Shelby, and today in class we learned how to do shading and use different tones.
And we made a still life of branches, leaves, and flowers, and this is what I made.
And this is my painting that we did today. It was just really hard because it was hard to blend and it just looked funny.
But now it looks pretty.
Right, yes.
Good, right?
Nice,
And you
yes.
got the shadow down and you get the different tones down. Tones are completely different from the shadows because?
Well, because like the shadows are like the darkness at the.
This is my painting that we did today.
I decided to glue on the flower because I thought it was kind of hard to draw the flower since it was white, and then you have to use like different colors. And then so Maria said I should add yellow to make it like the shadow colors because they all have shadows in the inside.
It took practice, but in the end it came out well.
And is it really true that you practiced at home?
Yes.
I'm impressed.
Like you made a mistake, you couldn't really like erase it with pencil. You had to like go over it.
Go over with the paint. That's actually easier. Have you done that? Is there any mistake part? Let me see.
Yeah, right
But actually,
How is there a mistake there? There's no mistake there.
you
there. I went over it.
yeah, she went over it. It's
Oh,
hard
so
to
it's
say.
too bumpy?
Yeah, too
Oh, I
lumpy.
see. There's also one here.
Too lumpy, bumpy.
There's
But
also one here.
But also, Lily, you know what you're good at that you like to use? Palette knife. What did you use the palette knife for?
Like the black line.
The black outlines use the palette knife.